A Consumer Protection Resource Guide. Chapter 1. A Consumer Protection Resource Guide. Check to see if you're dealing with legitimate businesses. bbbonline.org, trustee.com, verysignsecured.com, Consumer Health Fraud Websites, acfe.com, ACFE article, Healthcare Fraud Drains Lifeblood from Patients, System, interview with Byron Hollis. aarp.org/bulletin/scam_alert_stealing_health.html, personal data under the guise of selling health products online. consumerlab.com, medical. dranonymous.com, Consumer Protection Healthcare Handbook. med-fraud.org. medicare.gov/publications/pub/non-pdf/consumer-fraud_6.asp. ncahf.org, National Council Against Health Fraud. newyorkhpa.org/New York Consumer Protection Laws, New York Health Plan Association, New York Consumer Protection Laws. quackwatch.com, health. Consumer news websites. Most newspaper websites have a consumer and money column. Some TV station websites have one too. cbs5.com/consumer. abcnews.go.com/business/economy. abcnews.go.com/gma/consumer. americanconsumernews.com. bbb.org/alerts/index.asp. bbroundup.com. blogs.consumerreports.org. blogs.courant.com. blueridgenow.com. cbs2chicago.com/consumer. cbs3.com/consumer, Philadelphia. cbs4denver.com/consumer. cbs5.com/consumer, California, San Francisco. cbstv.com/shame, TV consumer reports. citizen.org/publications. consumerist.com. consumerman.com. enews.com. finance.yahoo.com. ftc.gov. ftc.gov, Federal Trade Commission Newsroom. ftc.gov/bcp/consumer.shtm, consumer rights. journals.uchicago.edu/jcr/index.html, Journal of Consumer Research. com/news/consumer-tip. latimes.com/news/columnists. mrconsumer.com. nadreview.org. nbc5.com/target5, Chicago Consumer Reports. nbcsandiego.com/consumer connection. nbcsandiego.com/consumer connection/index.html. nclc.org. newsnet5.com/consumer/index.html, Ohio. newyorktimes.com. online.wsj.com. pueblo.gsa.gov, consumer booklet. redtape.msnbc.com. rubytuesday.com. seattleinsider.com/partners/kiro TV/consumer. thedenenbergreport.org, consumer columns. timesbusiness.typepad.com/money_weblog. topics.net. washingtonpost.com, Consummate consumer column. wcco.com/consumer, Minnesota, Minneapolis. infomercial reviews/infomercial scams. infomercialratings.com. krbctv.com/does_it_work.htm, infomercial product reviews. surf-udrop.tv/tv-categories.htm, infomercial products listed by category. infomercial-hell.com. infomercial-scams.elliotback.com. infomercialscams.info. infomercialwatch.org. joyfulaging.com/infomercialscams.htm leonardfitness.com/article/infomercial_scams quackfiles.blogspot.com wasinoNTVfan.blogspot.com watchforscams.com/infomercial_scams.html workathomanoscams.com Media literacy websites / media activist websites / consumer culture websites. For books about how pop culture and the media destroys people's minds, try number 302.23 at the library. Try number 306.309 or HC110 at the library for books about the sociology of consumerism. about-face.org absurdgallery.com academia.org, Accuracy in Academia acjournal.org/holdings/fall/reviews/romance.html, sex, love, and romance in the mass media. adaction.org adbusters.org, 800-663-1243 adstandards.ca aim.org, Accuracy in Media. commercialalert.org, Protecting Kids from Advertising. commercialexploitation.com, Stop commercial exploitation of children. commonsensemedia.org/resources. concernedjournalists.org metacritic.com, CBS Interactive, Inc., television, movies, review scores, metascores, video, books, entertainment. consumerwebwatch.org controlyourtv.org corporatewatch.org corporationsandhealth.org corpwatch.org cqcm.org, Coalition for Quality Children's Media. ctheory.com, Modern Commentary on Pop Culture. cultureandmediainstitute.org culturejam.com, culturejam.org cybercollege.com/frtv/frtv030.htm, The Social Impact of Television. media-alliance.org, Media Alliance. mediaandthefamily.org, National Institute on Media and the Family. mediaawareness.ca. media-awareness.ca. mediachannel.com